Hi, I'm Nick Dogle, Interstate Law, where you safeguard your professional license so you can get back to business. Today we're going to talk a little bit about nursing interstate compact agreement and what that is, some of the requirements for it within North Carolina, residency and such. So the interstate compact is an agreement between multiple states throughout the United States that allows for nurses that have residency in one state and a specific license, whether it's an RN license, LPN, NP, CRNA, whatever the case may be, to work in that capacity in another state. So being in North Carolina, I'll take North Carolina as an example. You have to maintain residency in one state and have whatever license you're going to be using in a different state. Now, since we border Virginia, Tennessee, South Carolina, we've got multiple states there. I know Virginia and South Carolina are part of the Interstate Compact. I believe Tennessee is, but I'm not 100%, so don't quote me on that. But I'm going to use Virginia as an example. Say you are an RN in North Carolina, you reside north part of the state, you've got a job lined up in XYZ a hospital just across the border in Virginia. You've applied and received the multi-state license in North Carolina. Virginia is obviously part of the Interstate Compact Agreement. As long as you notify your employer that you are part of the multi-state license in North Carolina, you reside here, they check everything online, everything checks out and looks good, you're good to go. Now, let's say that you're in a position where you want to move to Virginia. Your commute ends up being a little bit further than you want. You get another opportunity in a nicer, place or more land or whatever the case may be. That's fine. You can move up there. Here's the catch though. Unless you have a Virginia license, you still are using your multi-state license in North Carolina, and you're no longer going to be a resident of North Carolina. You've moved to this other state permanently. That's where you get your mail. That's where you laid your head at night. Things of that nature. You're going to have to switch over your driver's license. All this stuff is going to be trackable, and they're going to end up finding out. Do the right thing. Figure out the process to get, using the RN license as an example, get the RN license in Virginia, start that process, see if there's any way to waive in, or if you have to take the boards. You obviously did it once before and you passed. You might have to do it again. There is a 90-day leeway that North Carolina has. If you do move to Virginia, you've got basically 90 days to get that Virginia license. At the expiration of those 90 days, then you're practicing without a license in that state. Okay, obviously don't do that. A little bit of preparation goes a long way. A lot of preparation obviously goes further. You'll have control over where you move, so you'll have an idea of your timeline and what needs to be done. Check that out in whatever state you're moving to. Go ahead and make sure that you're licensed there ahead of time. If it's a situation where you figure you'll get it, or based on your timeline, you'll get everything within maybe 60 days. If you want to chance it and go move, you'll have extra 30 days buffer for moving from this state to the other. Hopefully you get the license within that time frame, and then you'd be good to go. So that's all that we have for today, kind of short and sweet. If anybody has any questions, again, my name is Nick Dogle. I'm the owner and founder of North State Law. Check out our website. It's northstatelawfirm.com. We got a lot of blogs on there with a lot of answers to questions. Also got a lot of YouTube videos. Again, a lot of answers to questions on there. If you still can't find what you're looking for, give me a text or give me a call at 919-521-8810. And, we can have a chat over it and answer your question there. I'm also available on social media, all the big ones, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn as well. So you can also reach me via that way also. So everybody have a great day, and thank you for taking care of North Carolina. Bye-bye.